world of digital media, buying something can now be as simple as picking up your phone. But the Sheriff's Department does have some tips on how to do it safely. In the wake of the armed robbery that happened on Newport Road, Oneida County Sheriff Robert Mashel tells me that the incident is unique.
We're always giving the safety tips to the buyer to make sure your seller is legitimate and that you're not getting scammed and you're not losing your money and you're getting what you're paying for. This is kind of unique. This is a much more rare because it doesn't happen this way.
State police tell us that 22-year-old Omari Trim met with a male person at the victim's home pretending to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace, but had no intention of purchasing.
Never, I know there's some cases you can't avoid it, but we strongly recommend that you don't make the exchange at your home.
The sheriff told me a great place to make these exchanges would be a gas station or a store parking lot. But before you do plan the meet, there are some things to look out for, whether you're the seller or the buyer.
The neat thing about Facebook Marketplace is you can set the parameters on how far out you want your search to reach. So again, chances are you might have, or at least you're going to have friends that may know the people you're buying from.
Checking their profile and pictures of the item you're buying is also recommended. The Utica Police Department has a designated area set up for these types of transactions, something Sheriff Mashel is considering for his department.
We don't have one designated, but your phone call to me got me thinking about it. I'll have to see. I want to ensure that everyone's safe, and certainly I'd have to look at what liability is on our end.
A full list of these tips and suggestions on our website at WKTV.com. In Oriskany, Brent Carney, News Channel 2.